Hi everyone, I Saili Suryanshi. Today I would like to share the story of the greedy dog. Once upon a time, a hungry dog wandered through a village in search of the food. Uh, After a long time, he finally found a big and juicy bone outside the butcher shop. Overjoyed, this dog, uh, that dog, he grabbed it tightly in his mouth and ran towards a quiet place and enjoyed it. On his way, the dog had to cross a narrow wooden bridge over a clear flowing river. As he walked across, he looked down into the into the river water, into the water. Um, he saw his own reflection in the water. The foolish dog thought it is another dog holding a bigger, tastier, and juicy bone. Driven by greed, the dog wanted the bone too. Without any conclusion or without thinking, he growled and barked at the other dog. But as soon as he opened his mouth, the bone slipped out into the river water. Uh, the current carried it away, leaving the dog without nothing. Feeling sad and foolish, the dog walked away, realizing his mistake. There are moral of the story. Uh, first, first is greed leads to loss. Means wanting more can make us lose what you already have. Second is think before you act. Hasty decisions often lead to regret. And third one is be content with what you want, what you have. Satisfaction brings happiness. Fourth is illusion can be deceiving. Means that sorry, things are not always as they seems. Clearly comes with careful and thought. Final moral is greed can make you lose everything. Be wise and